So YouTube, all that talk about buying a new car, and you wondered, you kept saying he's just all talk, no balls. Well, I've bought me car now. Model make though. Here she is, Nissan 350Z. Beautiful. Sounds like an absolute beast. Boots up at the moment because we're having the spoiler fitted before I take it away, which is here. There's the spoiler. Can't really see that. Alloy wheels. More alloy wheels. Oh yeah! It looks like a Bugatti. 320 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. We've got 600 watt amp here that runs the just the one subwoofer which is there, and then you have a separate amp which is 3000 watts running the front speakers and these two back ones. I'll show you. It's got a push button start as well.
Dad, I've got the red button.
No, not me.
Don't worry, I've not got you in it.
Me? What?
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I'll do a bit more video on it when I get it home for you. There's a spoiler again. That's being drilled in at the moment. There's the girlfriend's arse. But there you go, ladies and gentlemen. 320 brake horsepower beauty. 19,000 of my beautiful pounds. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Dean Kenny, over and out.